Namaste children. Welcome back. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, now I already posted PPT for 2 days, that is vegetative propagation. Then previously we discussed asexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction we completed and vegetative propagation we completed. Now I am going to teach sexual reproduction. Okay, so sexual reproduction you have a little knowledge about it. So what you have knowledge, you see, sexual reproduction. This is also called as biparental. What do you mean by biparental? Two parents are involved. Who are those two parents? Male and female. So male will produce gamete, male gamete, sperm. Female will produce egg. So both will fuse and the reproduction takes place, fertilization takes place. Okay. Now actually the organism is able to produce asexually. The organisms, the plants are able to produce vegetative by vegetative propagation. Then why actually still we need sexual reproduction? What is the importance of sexual reproduction? We will discuss now. Now what is the sexual reproduction? What is its significance? Why organisms will depend on sexual reproduction? So this is the key concept is DNA copying. What will actually happen? DNA copying. Now in the previous topic I taught you DNA copying. So what is actually DNA copying? Is it accurate? Yes, it is almost accurate. It is accurate in the sense, I will change the color. It is accurate. How it is accurate? In what way it is accurate? To maintain blueprint. To maintain blueprint. Only blueprint it will maintain, but not identical. Next, if it is not accurate, what may happen? So if it is not accurate, actually, so what I can say, is it accurate? Yes, it is accurate. In what way it is accurate? To maintain the blueprint. Blueprint in the sense, two eyes, how our body, two eyes, one nose, two ears, like that, total internal organs, external organs, chromosomes, everything will be maintained. So that is called a blueprint. So to maintain the blueprint, it should be accurate. Now, if it is not accurate, what may happen? So, if it is not accurate, the human beings, you may be so many news items we will generally read. What is it? A boy born with one more eye. A cow has born with one more leg extra, one tail extra. Like that, different news items generally it will appear in the newspapers and other social media. So what are all those things? So there is some disturbances in the body design, either maybe internally or maybe externally. So if it is not accurate, the organism may not survive or may lead, it has to face some face problems, maybe due to physical or maybe mental, spastic, so many problems they may face. Now how will how variations will be beneficial? Now what is the point here? So that's why what will happen? Maintenance. DNA copying will maintain the blueprint, but it will not give identical copies. So with that concept what we discussed, always whenever the DNA copying is taking place, because one cell has to reproduce into another cell, one organism has to form into another organism, means definitely there should be DNA copying. So during this DNA copying, what happens? There are little inaccuracies, means as it is the organism, the DNA will not be copied. So due to that what may happen? There are small differences, small variations. These small differences are called variations. So these variations, so sometimes the variations will be beneficial. Sometimes the variation may not be beneficial also. That is also point. But we are talking about beneficial. So beneficial. So only one or two organisms are having beneficial variations. Can they able to survive? No, they can't survive. So that's why what may happen? Accumulation of variations. How accumulation of variations can take place? Generally, organism will reproduce only once or twice or thrice, that's all. So, two siblings or one siblings only you will have. You will not have hundreds and hundreds of siblings like Kauravasu. No. So, what is that? How variations will be accumulated? Because in a particular species, like rat population you take. So rats are able to adjust with the changing scenario, changing situations. So in the population, the variations, a stick pad you kept. So the organ is the rat which is stick to that stick pad, and even if it comes out from the stick pad, I think you know gummy pad we use. So from that if it comes, it is a good variation. The strength, the physical strength of the rat is more advantageous. So in such a condition, only one rat if it gets, it will not be beneficial. So that's why what happens, that the useful variation which already it got it, so it will help, it will distribute that particular variation to all the organisms of that particular species with its reproduction. So it will mate with some other animal, some other, in the sense of one more rat, and it will produce offsprings. So these offspring will have good variation. What is that good variation? Adaptability to the stick pad. Is it clear? So the accumulation of variations will take place. How it will take place? Because of how this accumulation. So reproduction among individuals of the same species. Reproduction among individuals of same species. So generally you know that same species definition only the organisms which are able to reproduce. So species, same species. So then the variations will get accumulated. Is it clear? Now, so variations will be novel. Sometimes variations will be novel, a very new variation like that. Now, just now I gave example, no, the rat which is able to, even though it is stuck or even little leg it went into the stick pad, even then it can pull it and go back. So, such is novel and advantageous than the previous one. So such variations will be accumulated because of sexual reproduction. Because sexual reproduction is nothing but the transfer of genes, transfer of chromosomes from two different individuals. One is male and one is female. So due to that the variations will get accumulated. So definitely the variations, good variations will help them for better and better survival. And if it is a bad variation, definitely the organism we may not reach to the reproductive age. So due to that they will slowly disappear. Right?